In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to use TikTok user search. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. How to search TikTok users? Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app. Click on this search bar and write the name of the user which you want to search here. Like I am going to search a person, like I am going to write name of any singer here. You will see here profile, you have to click on it and you can now use their sounds. You can watch their videos in this way. You can search on TikTok by users. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.